Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to delete your Fidelity app account in just a few simple steps. First, you will need to open the Fidelity app and log in with your credentials. If you're deleting your account permanently, make sure you have transferred or withdrawn any funds before proceeding. Now once logged in, head over to the profile and settings by tapping on your profile icon. Here you will find various account management options. So to delete your account, you will need to contact Fidelity's customer support team. So scroll down and select help and support. Then choose the option to contact us. You can either call or using the in-app chat. Now inform the customer support representative that you wish to delete your account. They will guide you through the necessary steps and confirm once the deletion request has been processed. So after your request is confirmed, you can uninstall the Fidelity app from your device to complete the process. And that is how you delete your Fidelity app account. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.